Hi everyone, welcome to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to change username in Spotify. Now to do that, open the Spotify application first. Tap open the app. You are currently at the homepage of Spotify. So here you need to tap on your library. Tap that. And there on this page you will have your profile. You tap on your profile name on the top left. Tap that. It will direct you to this place over here. Here you need to tap on the profile name of yours. Tap on view profile. It will direct you to this page. Now here on this page you need to tap on edit profile. Tap that. There is no particular way to change your username in Spotify, as the Spotify username is designed to identify you on Spotify, so you cannot change it. But you can change the name that appear on your Spotify. Here if you tap on that and remove it and provide it with a different one, tap on save. It will save the display name on Spotify, but the username will be as it is on the very beginning of the creating your Spotify account. Hope this information was useful to you on how you can change username or only change the display name in Spotify. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.